Next is Mizoram. Mizoram is a state with the second least population in the country. Mizoram actually means land of the hill people. Location and neighboring states. Mizoram is one of the northeastern states which shares its border with Tripura, Assam and Manipur. Capital of Mizoram is Aizawl, and other cities, major cities are Darjeeling, Khawal, Kolasib. Water bodies and landforms. This state is a land of rolling hills, valley, rivers and lakes. As many as 21 major hills, ranges or peaks of different heights run through the length and breadth of the state. Taiwan is a river of Mizoram with Tutis as its tributary. If a word has came here, tributary, I don't know whether you all know or not. Let me define you so that it will be clear to you all. Tributary and distributary. Suppose this is a river, okay, flowing down. From somewhere from upside, one river is coming and merging it into the main river. Okay. So this is tributary. It is coming and merging with the main river. Okay. This is known as tributary. And the same river from anywhere from one side, it is going out. It is leaving the main river and making a branch. So this becomes distributary. Did you all got it? What is tributary and what is distributary? Suppose this is a main river. Okay. One river coming along from somewhere and coming and joining the main river. So this is known as tributary. And again from the same main river, in some of the part or some of the place or some of the location, one part is cutting from a place and going towards somewhere else. So that river becomes distributary river. Okay. Now comes Nagaland. Location and neighboring states. Nagaland is a northeastern state of India bordering the state of Assam to the west, Arunachal Pradesh and part of Assam to the north, and Manipur to the south. Capital and important cities. The state capital of Nagaland is Kohima. It is largely a mountainous state. Dimapur, Kifire, Longling, Assam, other districts of Nagaland. And water bodies, major rivers, Doyang and Dipu to the north, the Barak River in the southwest dissect the entire state. Dissect means cutting. Okay. Dividing the state. Now comes Assam. Assam is known for its tea and silk. The first oil well in Asia was drilled here. Say this is the very main point you should learn and you should remember, because these type of points are asked in general knowledge also. Okay. Location and neighboring states. Assam is considered as the guard of northeast India and gateway to the northeastern states. The states that border Assam are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and West Bengal. That means it is surrounded by so many states. Capital and important cities of Assam are, Dispur is the capital, and Dibrugarh, Silchar, Tezpur, Dubrai are the some other cities in the state of Assam. Water bodies and landforms. The river Brahmaputra has made Assam a very fertile land, making rice and jute its main crops. The same river Brahmaputra, after flowing from Assam, it enters Bangladesh, and from there it gets another name, that is Padma River. Padma River. In Bengali they call it as Poddo River. Okay. Now comes Tripura, the last state of northeast, seven sisters. Location and neighboring states of Tripura is that it is the third smallest state of India and is bordered by Bangladesh to the north, south and west, and the Indian states of Assam and Mizoram to the east. If it is said here Tripura is the third smallest state of India, do you all remember the first one? It's Goa, second is Sikkim, and the third is Tripura. Capital and important cities. Agartala is the capital city. Kumarghat, Badharghat, Dharmanagar, Amarpur, Kunjaban are some other cities in the state of Tripura. And now the water bodies of Tripura. A number of rivers originate in the hills of Tripura and flow of Bangladesh. The Khowai, Dhalia, Manu, Juri and Longai flow towards the north, the Gumti to the west and the Muhuri and Feni to the southwest. Here some pictures are given of every state. You can see Hajagiri dance of Tripura, tea garden in Assam, hornbill dance of Nagaland. See the costume and the way they are dancing with the props. This is bamboo dance in Mizoram. Do you all remember in our school it was done in annual program? Bamboo dance was shown on stage. Yes. This I have already showed you all and it is in your book also. Khasi Hills in Meghalaya. And this is Ras Leela, the dance of Manipur. See the costume, totally different, isn't it? So, and now last one is Khamti dance from Arunachal Pradesh. A lady with the peacock feathers. It's not the peacock feathers, it's designed like peacock feathers. Fine. So here we come to end.